Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to use the rank function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to understand why we need to use the rank function. The rank function allows the user to rank certain values from highest to lowest or vice versa. To further explain this function, let's go for an example. Let's say we have the total sales for each individual on our data. We would like to determine which rank one person occupies by ranking the highest earner with 1 and ranking the lowest earner with 6. To do so, all we have to do is type the equal sign rank. Once we do so, we will be shown the syntax for our ranking. First, we need to determine the number. This will be the number that we will be using to compare the numbers from our reference. Let's click on the cell beside our empty cell. Next, for the reference, we need to get the absolute reference for our array. By holding our mouse button and selecting all the total earnings for the workers and adding a $sign for the column and row, we will be getting the absolute reference, meaning to say that if we try to copy paste our data, it will keep on getting reference in our selected array. Next is order. If we input 0, we will be getting a descending order, meaning that rank 1 will be the highest and rank 6 will be the lowest. And if we click 1, we will be ranking 1 for the lowest and 6 for the highest. Let's choose 0 for now. The rank should appear something like this. Now, if we click on the lower right portion of our cell and drag it all the way down to the last person, we will be getting the rankings of each individual. And that is how we use the rank function in Microsoft Excel.